they want
silly.
to convince us that they're the ones that are all the, you know, the greatest and the best, the do-gooders, the best ones in the world. They're the top of the heap because, you know, they're at the top of the pyramid, so they must be. But that means that, you know, our concept of heaven has been portrayed and has been occupied
Silly
and has
Penny.
been invaded and full of immigrants of these fucking bullshit artists, demonic, psychopathic entities, archonic entities, as some would refer to them as. And they're now trying to convince us that what they're telling us is the real version of heaven. But I would argue that the way we try to exist with each other, I know we don't always agree on every point. You know, we don't always like wearing the same kind of style of clothing. Some of us like wearing different colours. Some of us like having long hair. Some like short hair. You know, we all got our different little tastes and preferences and opinions on shit. But other than that, we actively try to live together because we understand the benefit of a shared community. Because multiple people can achieve far more than individuals can. Could show you a, you know, a little video clip of some Amish people moving an entire barn. You know, literally just manpower. They fit some beams underneath it. They literally lift it up and walk along with it and move it physically. That is a demonstration of tribal collective power that has nothing to do with these ideas, these ismism ideas of collectivism or whatever, you know, communitarianism, whatever the fuck they want to label it as.
Miss Penny.
It's just people understanding
Pathetic
the
every.
altruistic feedback process. You know, reality is a mirror. If I help this guy, if I help my neighbour move his barn, then when I need to move my barn, he will come along and help me. It's just as simple as that. We all survive better. We have a greater chance of survival by working together. And the majority of us understand that. And most of our parents taught us the same kind of principles. So if you want to talk about heaven, we already are heaven. We are already building heaven. But they think it has to be built out of marble bricks with gold lining and shiny shit and gems and jewels and all the fancy stuff. Everybody fucking knows it. That's not heaven. We're building heaven. It's not made out of physical stuff. So at the moment, with all this shit that's happening and all the weirder than weirdness that they're putting in front of us, you know, suggesting aliens are there, again, you